What's going on out there, you wonderful people of YouTube? Welcome back to the Money Cube. All right, now today I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this. I'm just gonna get into what took place. Nothing bad, but just let me kind of share a little bit of my journey with y'all. All right, I got out of a position yesterday, and I took some profit, but that little very small play I took was little did I know it was on its way up, and I mean way up. So what I'm gonna do is open up Smile Direct Club. Smile Direct Club is a teeth. They have these devices that straighten your teeth. They're like, I guess, like Invisalign or invisible braces that I think they use plastics. But anyway, not a blue chip company, but I do see their ads a lot online and on TV. They're local to my area. I think that were founded in Tennessee. So yeah, let's get into what happened here. As you can see, today it gained 24%. And let's look at the share price here. Right now, it's a penny stock. By the way, it's trading at $1.62. And as you can see here, let me drag the cursor back. In the early morning hours, it was trading around $1.27. So it spiked and shot up. And then around 10:09 a.m., it was sitting at $1.80, which you may think, oh, that doesn't sound like very much. But as you can see, if you drag that cursor, when you see it sitting at like 0.7% at 8:33 a.m., and then it shoots up, and then you go from that $1.28 up to $1.86. That's roughly 58, 59 cents. But when you add that on top of $1.28, that's a 48% gain. So yeah, I sold out of mine. Let me show you what I did. Let's see here. My activity on this particular stock. And this is Cash App investing, by the way. Right here, you can see I sold yesterday at 8:43 a.m. My position went for $165.75, which is a very small position. But I did take a profit of like 14, 15 bucks, which, percentage wise was good. It was a good return on my swing trade that I made. So if I had left it alone, and I've seen Smile Direct do this before, I need to keep a closer eye on the trends, but I would have probably, let's see here, yesterday. Well, now it did. I sold right here. I sold about right. Hold on. Right here. And so, oh man, I would have made $70 or $80 if I had left that in there for 24 more hours. But hey, sometimes that happens. I'm not upset about it. Disappointed, yeah, but I'm not upset because I still took my profit and I got out. And like I always say, some profit is better than no profit, because ultimately you never know. I don't care what anybody says. Even the great Warren Buffett doesn't know for sure what a stock is going to do day to day. Now, let's come down here, and I won't keep you too much longer. Let's open up AMC, since this is like the most popular meme stock. AMC on the week is up 53.84% on the day, which actually not bad today. Considering, well, I mean, for AMC, this is not not great, but for any Joe Schmo stock, a 7% gain in one day is fantastic. So today it was up 7.56%. So I sold a position of that on my Robinhood account earlier. So it's still doing its thing. It's still volatile, but it's still kind of on a little bit of a run over the past week and a half. It's really been on a tear. GameStop is doing pretty well as on top of that, and I won't I won't go into that right now, but I will be discussing these two meme stocks quite a bit, because whether you're day trading, swing trading, or investing for the long term, personally, and this is not advice for you to buy, sell, or hold any stock. If you do that, do your own research before you invest. All right. But in my opinion, AMC, GameStop, I think it's better to day trade or swing trade those stocks. You can invest for the long term, but there are many other stocks I would choose or opt for long-term investing before I would do so with a meme stock. All right. So that's it, man. That's what I have for y'all today. I said I would keep this relatively short. If y'all have any questions about what you've seen, if y'all had any crazy experience today in the market, let me know down in the comment section, and I greatly appreciate it. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, because I do upload daily. And let me know if there's anything y'all want me to touch on that I've gone over before, and maybe you want to hear more details on a certain aspect of my journey and the type of trading that I do. Just hit me up in the comments, and I will do my best to respond to everyone. All right, y'all have a good evening.